unless Justin Law can do something quicker than 44.60.
Yep, it's low from Bartels and Brack, the top three. Mardenborough in fourth at the moment.
This is the last car that conceivably beats Sebastian Loeb's 44.60, which is the 6th fastest time ever on this hill. The record, of course, stands at 41.6.
Justin Law, now we're riding on board with him, if you can see him. Oh, massive oversteer, all arms and elbows as he came up towards the house with the Jaguar XJ220. He grabs another gear after the footbridge. Now he goes down 2 gears before the left-hander. In he goes. Now he feeds in the power. Now he's got to keep the momentum because now the hill starts to get steeper.
He hasn't managed to break 50 seconds in this car. He did a 51.80 in qualifying. He's managed 44 before in the Group C Silk Cut Jaguar. And he's the 3rd fastest man up here in 22 years. He's not going to beat Loeb's time. He's going to do a 52.48. So Justin Law is slower. Ladies and gentlemen, Sebastian Loeb has won the 2014 Goodwood Festival of Speed Shootout. Round of applause for the 9-time World Rally Champion. Our winning time, 44.60. Massive oversteer from Justin Law in the Jag. On board with Justin Law. Watch his left and right hand crossover briefly.
He didn't do that in the Rolls-Royce race earlier on today. So I hope he